There are two ways to upload a file to your class page. In the first method, first you turn editing on. You choose the week in which you want to put your file. For example, I chose 24th of September here. Click add a resource and you will see these options here, and click link to a file or website. Now you need to name your resource. Let me call mine a chart for 12 tenses. Then you scroll down and now you need to define a location for your file. Click choose or upload a file. This will take you to your files directory and click upload a file. Click browse. Now on my computer I found my Word document, a chart for 12 tenses. Double click on it and click upload this file. Now that file as a Word document is in my files directory. Now click choose and the path will be created to your file. Scroll down and click save and return to course if you just want to see the main page. If you want to see if it's working, you can click save and display, but this time it will directly download the file that you have uploaded. So I am choosing to save and return to course page. Now as you see, we have this Word document here. Students will be able to see this file. And now you can turn editing off. For the second method, go to your administration menu on the left, find your files directory, click on it, and this will take you to the same page, the one that popped up in the first method. So this is your files directory, and now you can upload a file just like we did in the first method. You browse it and you upload it. Basically the same thing. And if you want to make a practical use of this files directory, I would suggest you to make a folder with your initials. Let's say AZ, and now you have your own folder and you can upload all your files into this so that things won't be that confusing. And if you want to make any changes, if you want to move them around, you just select them and you can move them to another folder. You can delete them completely, just like this. Then we do the same thing just like we did in the first method. You go to your main page, you want to add a resource, again the same thing, you link to a file or website, you name it, and if you want, of course, you can write a description here for your file. Then you choose or upload a file. So the only thing that changed, my file is already online, it's in the system. I again choose it and the same process, the path has been created. Then I click on save and return to course. The same thing, as you see, your students will see this Word document on their class page. The maximum limit for files in our system is 500 megabytes, and you can upload any type of files here. It might be a video, a PowerPoint document, a zip document, so you can upload anything you want. And before signing out, it's a good idea to turn editing off.